In this video, we will learn how to use the CV parser while adding a single candidate in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. The CV parser is an AI-powered feature that automatically extracts candidate information from a resume and fills candidate details within the recruitment system. To begin, go to the left side navigation panel and click on the Recruitment menu. From the list of submenus, select Talent Pool. This will open a page displaying the existing list of candidates available in your system. To add a new candidate, click on the person icon located above the candidate list. This will open a detailed interface containing two tabs, Basic Info and Profile Info. In the Basic Info tab, upload the candidate's resume by clicking on the Drag Your CV Resume section. Once the resume is uploaded, uKnowva's built-in CV parser will automatically analyze the document and extract important candidate details. It can automatically identify information such as the candidate's name, email address, mobile number, skills, educational qualifications, work experience, and current company. After the resume is parsed, review the extracted details carefully. You can edit the auto-filled information if required or manually add additional details such as job source, cover note, designation, current CTC, notice period, educational category, qualifications, and relevant skills. Once the basic info section is completed, move to the Profile Info tab to enter any additional information under the structured sections provided. After reviewing all the details, click on the Save button to successfully add the candidate to your talent pool. That's it. You now know how to use the CV parser while adding a single candidate in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.